All welcome friends on my channel. So friends, in this video we have again review of this project VRTL. Well, I liked it, so already in what time do I record a clip of it? Overall, we have friends on board, is incubated. Binance is a very large site, as you know now. VRTLs gives us the perfect opportunity to make a living. These are the virtual points that we appear in our virtual wallet. I already think you've seen mine previous clips, as here. Register, we just install extension here from this project, connecting there we register. Friends, my code will be in the attached. Comments are also prescribed here. Watch my friends as I fill up the points in this project. We're adding games. By the way, one of the first is binary betting. Here friends, move. Press switch to Mono Pacific testnet. Switch network to Mat Pacific will have to do for you here. Here in the section here, click and pick up. These are the tokens I've been playing a few times. They were taken away, so friends, just then press, and so here we are. We earn points here. Wait, when we see that the strip went down, I press up, put up, and for this, they're charging us in and out. Make friends several times. There is, I think the limit per day is up to 50,000 point to me. So that friends, next game black, is also here too. Most click here in this section here, IDT. Then here's any number of press cars I usually click on. Button, music, stand, can press principal sometimes. Here's for this engine. Also friends, here we are. Play this black for this move, nom. Also give points. And then friends, 3 game here, KMT itself. And press here heads or tails. Here I choose, for example, TS. Here fell eagle, I won $10. Virtual. And so friends, we fill the points in VRTL Labs. I advise go into these games every day. What do we do? For which we will be get here our virtual points in the future. They will be converted in tokens of this project. We can here find this information that will be in, and so on. Here we are at the top. You can see how much people earn. So all the friends will be here. Add games. I'll think what else. Here are some games will be besides these. So let's cross who else here. No register, enter code, which posted, comment, Skype extension of this one here, download. Click here, VRTL Labs Valet. Install it there, enter the code, then go to this site. Above, see the icon of your wallet. Click on it, and here we open. These are the games, friends, and fill the points from VRTL Wallet. Hope that the project give away his tokens well. Eat profit for these points. All friends showed you how points are earned in these activities, and thank you all for attention. Everyone, for now.